shovels, a shovel, 2 shovels, and a bunch of snow. So first, you get the littlest shovel, and get some snow. You get it the hole. And keep doing that till you fill it up. Once the bucket's full,
Yes.
get your fist and knead it
Yeah.
really hard. After that, get the biggest shovel, pat it down.
And pat it down.
That, pull it back up, pull it up,
Mhm.
and put it down on a hard bit.
Mhm.
Over, like that, and then it's ready.
What is that?
That is how to build your very own ice block from an igloo.
Brilliant. And then what do we do with it now?
And then I spent ages making this really big igloo. But it did take quite a while. And now you just put it on the igloo. That is how to make very own igloo. And so once you put the ice block on, get the big shovel and get some snow in the big shovel, and then put it down, and then just pat it on
And what does that
block,
do? Just...
and then that just holds it in place so it doesn't fall. And then we've made it so we can actually go inside it. It's freezing in here. It's actually quite warm. And then you just fill some gaps that are unstable. So you can put the next block on.
And I've angled that
And
one.
we'll just put some snow here just
That's
to
it.
hold
You pat
it.
that in, I'll hold it.
Bye!
Bye.